Most people get this wrong when their Amazon return label stops working. They assume the system is broken or their return is canceled. But here's the truth: no one tells you. In most cases, the issue is not with Amazon itself, but with how the label is generated, opened, or scanned. In this video, you'll learn exactly why your Amazon return label is not working, how to fix it step by step, and what to do if the problem still continues in 2026. Let's start with the fastest fix. First, don't use screenshots of the return label. Always open the label directly from the Amazon app or your email. Tap Download Label or View Return Label and open the original PDF. Many scanners fail to read blurry screenshots, which causes most of the issues. But here's the problem. People often try to print the label incorrectly. If your printer settings are scaled or compressed, the barcode becomes unreadable. Always set the print option to actual size or 100% scaling before printing. Now here's where it gets interesting. Amazon return labels sometimes fail because the return method has changed. For example, if you selected drop-off but try to use a pickup label, the system will not recognize it. Always double-check your return instructions inside your orders. This is where most people fail. They ignore label expiration. Some return labels are only valid for a limited time window. If you wait too long, the barcode may stop working, and you will need to generate a new one. In a minute, I'll show you what to do if your labels still won't scan or print correctly. Next step, check your internet connection when downloading the label. A partial download can corrupt the file, making the barcode unreadable. Re-download it using a stable connection and try again. If the issue continues, switch devices. Open your Amazon account on another phone, tablet, or computer, and regenerate the return label. This often fixes hidden app glitches. Another useful step is clearing your Amazon app cache. On Android or iPhone, outdated cache data can prevent labels from loading properly. If nothing works, go to Amazon customer service and explain that your return label is not working. Provide your order number and ask them to resend a fresh label or update your return method. To recap, always open the original label, print at 100% scale, verify return method, check label validity, re-download on a stable connection, and regenerate the label if needed. Contact support only if all steps fail. If this helped you fix your Amazon return label issue, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and comment below with what worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.